Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope that this piece of hair doesn't drive you crazy like it's driving me crazy. Let me flip it around. Anyway, I'd like to welcome you to my channel and welcome you to my unboxing of my Boxycharm Premium for March. And I know one thing that's in here, and I'm very excited about it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really be appreciative of that. Happy spring, everybody. Spring has sprung. We have all recovered from the clocks being turned forward. And now we have a big box full of stuff. It smells really good. This premium smells amazing. I love it. And we've got a card with little tiny writing that will tell us what's in this box. This is a... How much is this box now? $38.99? Something like that. It's not a cheap box anymore. It's like 35, 40, like 40 bucks. Something like that. Hard to remember. I'll have to double check my billing one day and see what it says. And to start off with, it says this is the Game Changer, celebrating game changers and boss babes in honor of Women's History Month. March is Women's History Month, and it is great to be a woman some days. Every day, really. I don't want to be anything else than a woman today. I'm recovering from an illness, so excuse me, pardon me. But today we are starting out with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. And I could only get it in the cool, number one, cool. And that's the closest I could get to my complexion. We'll test it and see if it matches. I usually go neutral, but I think I can handle cool. I've got little pinky undertones. Flawless is a feeling. Unlock the secret to a flawless, poreless looking skin with Charlotte's award-winning Airbrush Flawless Foundation. A stay-all-day, weightless, full coverage, science and color formula with a natural matte finish. MSRP $44. I almost forgot. We like to add up how much the box is worth, so we see if we got our value. I've got so much stuff on my desk. Lord help me. So 44 bucks. I'm breaking the seal on this, and it looks nice and pale like myself. Oh, it looks nice and fair. I think this is going to work for me because I do have some pinky undertones. That's a lot. That's a lot of foundation. I'm going to blot it because that's too much for what I'm trying to do right here. Let's see if we can blend it in. I do have a makeup wipe handy so we can... That looks like my skin. It'll work. That looks good. Thanks, Charlotte, for giving us a deal through Boxycharm. And this makes the price of the box right there. So that's great. Next up is from the Hue Company, and this is the pill. The New Company, N-U-E, not Hue, New, N-U-E. And this is, oh my gosh, it's $85. And this is a single daily dose, high potency, activates, designed to remove dead skin cells, increase cell regeneration, hydrate and depuff the skin, combining the best of clinical and natural. It delivers a one-step solution to layering multiple acids safely. Okay. Let's take a look at that. Something in here smells amazing. It's an all-in-one serum. It's got AHAs, vitamin C, and HA, which is great. So that takes care of a lot of stuff in one bottle, which will be great to use. $85. It should be very nice for that price, I would hope. And from Aether Beauty, the Big Bang mascara. I'm always up for a new mascara. I have about 5 of them open right now, at least. And I'm not going to open this one because I have so many open already. But this is the Ultimate Lash Maximizing Black Diamond Infused Mascara that truly does it all for out of this world length, volume, curl, and definition, and $28. Then we have from Ciate London, a Glass Glow Skin Primer. And I'm always in the mood to prime my skin. And this prep skin for flawless dewy makeup application with a cushiony texture. The primer provides a luminous glow with dewy glass-like finish, formulated with brightening vitamin C and dragon fruit extract, rehydrating hyaluronic acid, moisture-boosting yuzu extract, and nourishing vitamin E to create a smooth and hydrated canvas that glows all day. $32. Let's take a peekaloo. And it's a nice size plastic tube, and we'll give that a go. And then this is what smells so good. It's Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress Muscle Gel, focusing and soothing. Experience the cooling comfort and transformative power of invigorating black pepper, warm ginger, and detoxifying rosemary. And this award-winning gel, the perfect antidote to intense workout or a demanding day. $40. That's a lot for a little nice smellaroo here. Well, I can smell it through here, and it smells very cooling and minty and rosemary-ish and all those good things. And then last but not least, from Stella and Grace, or Grace and Stella, it's the Everything is Better in Pink Collagen Boosting Eye Masks. I'm not going to open this box because it's a set, and it probably will be going in a giveaway soon. These pretty and pink eye masks are focused on firming and hydrating the under eyes, formulated with palmitoyl peptide 5 to stimulate and boost collagen production, fructose to attract and retain moisture in the skin, and horse chestnut to maintain healthy blood circulation and strengthen capillaries by dark circles. These eye masks are key to improving skin texture and firmness. $24. So that looks like everything. So we've got the eye mask, we've got the primer, we've got the lotion, we got the mascara, we got this nice serum, and we've got this fantastic foundation. And the value today is $253 for like a $40 box, which I think is great. Like I said, the foundation paid for it all, and everything else is a bonus. I'm pretty happy with my box this month. There's a lot of skincare stuff. I'd prefer a little more makeup, but you know, what do you want? It's Boxycharm. They're going to disappoint you some way, one way or another. But I'll keep coming back. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and the cats are having a good time, and I hope you have had a good time as well.